Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete your all Instagram comments at once on your posts. So actually there is no specific way to delete them, but there's two easy ways that you can do. First of all, you're going to launch up Instagram, and from Instagram you're going to click on your profile icon on the bottom right corner, okay? And then you're going to go on any post. Let's say I'm going to pull on one of my posters over here, and I'm going to go onto the onto my comments over here. And if you go onto your comments on your post, and you can click on each single comment, and then you're going to be able to delete them all. But there's a much more easier way, actually, if you want to do it, is that you can basically disable comments, and it's going to just remove all the comments right away until you re-enable it. So let's say I'm going to go onto the three dots, and then I'm going to click on turn off commenting. Now if I turn off commenting, as you can see, I cannot comment at all. And the good thing about this is that the comments are going to stay the same if you change your mind. So if I want to make the comments appear again, I'm going to click on the three dots, and then I'm going to click on turn on commenting, and there we go, our comments are back. So this is basically how you can delete your comments all at once. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.